Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcakes for kids. First, let's gather everything we need for our baking adventure. Having all your ingredients and tools ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. You'll need basic items like flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Don't forget your cupcake liners and a 12-cup muffin tin. This preparation step is key to a successful and fun baking experience with your little ones. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix the batter. Start by combining your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder in one bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients such as eggs, milk, and oil. Slowly add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring gently until everything is just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes, so mix until smooth but don't overdo it. With your batter ready, it's time to fill those cupcake liners. Fill each liner about 2/3 full. This prevents them from overflowing in the oven. Place your filled muffin tin into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the tin for a few minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. The best part is here, decorating. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, it's time to add frosting and all sorts of fun sprinkles. Let the kids unleash their creativity with different colors and toppings. This is where the magic happens, turning simple cupcakes into personalized treats. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.